Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sikala. In this session, we learn the right trim in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now, yes, that open Alt file menu, taking new file, and here our definition. So write a program to trim, yes, trim trailing. So yes, that is trailing. Uh, that is a white space character, white space character from a string. So that is our definition. So yes, what is a meaning of trim? So that is a right trim. Yes, so what is a meaning? Yes, so meaning that is a we can delete a white space from given string, and that is a right side. You can say that right side, or you can say that delete white space character. Yes, here you can say that character, uh, delete white space character, uh, right side from given string. Yes, that is a better. So that is a meaning. Yes, so given string. Yes, that is perfectly. So that is a meaning. So I just that is we can say that definition. So right side trim means delete white space character right side from a given string. So that is a right trim. And left trim is also all trim, so we can delete the left, right, all. So that is a trimming. You can truncate or delete that white space blank, that is a character. So yes, let us so give one example so you can understand better way. So like we can say that hello and world, and then I give some blank space, and here I just mentioned that single quote, but that is not our. So all these character in that is our input, and that after our output only, that is a hello, yes, and world. So all that white space, that character is removed from here to here. So here that how many character that we can remove. So that is a right side trimming. Yes, now I can remove this. So that is a our input and output. So that is a right trim and trailing white space character from the string. So now I think you have to understand what is our definition. So now I include our header file. So stdio.h, and then we can select conio, yes, conio console input output dot h, and then void main, yes, and that now we can declare first, that is our character, that is string. So I give like 80 or 100 you can give, and then you can also take as a dynamically string malloc and free, calloc and free. So you can watch in my video in YouTube channel. So that is a better. And then we can define one I. Yes, so what to do? So first we can scan, yes, we want string with write some blank page. So we can say that enter one string with write uh, white space. So that is a better. So enter one, yes, here some, that is a one, yes, one string with right white space or blank space, you can say that, or that is a perfectly. So you can use, yes, here we can use get as function, and also you can scanf. So many video lecture I use, that is scanf. We can with blank space you can also scan. So I use as a get as. So how what to do? So here str string, and then first we can print. So that we can can say that here one message. So before, yes, it is a before trim, or we can say that trimming, uh, trailing, white paste before trailing white paste. So before trimming, yes, uh, trailing white paste, our string is, yes, so that is a percentage s, and then we can print the str, so that is a better. And now we can calculate that string length. So there are two way we can use strlen string handling function, and we can apply to our own logic. So yes, first, that is you have to know strlen. So you can also use that, but here I take as for loop, so that is also, and that is a advanced feature. So what is this advanced feature? So let us check. So not equal to null, and then I plus plus, and here that is a semicolon after for loop. So that I counting our length of our string. So that is a better, and that is a null statement in C, advanced feature of for loop. So that you can also write off the body of this for loop, but that is two way we have to write. Means here that is body of for loop, and after that is parenthesis. So that calculate to our string length. So strlen you can also use inbuilt function string handling, that is also perfect. And now what to do? So now that is a one, means that is a, we can start I, yes, that is a perfectly and not equal to null, so that we can consider. So let us take, we can take now our logic, so while loop, and then we can take directly I. So I is -1, yes, greater than and -1. So that is a that count our original length. So you can also print that I value. So you can get your length of string. And now what to do? So we can take if else logic. So if, yes, and that we can say that str of I, yes, that equal to blank, and or operator logical str of I in, or we can say that equal to /t. So that is a 5 blank space. Yes, so we can what to do? So here we can I minus minus. So that number of length is means less in our original string. And then in otherwise, if character is coming, so because after that is a trailing pace of blank pace that complete to our, or means our character that is start, not that is not blank pace, so that is a break this while in else part. So that is only if condition is required, yes, only one. And now what to do? So we can, after that our null, that is a every string with terminate with null value, but here we can remove some trailing white space, so our null value is a remaining as last. So what to do? So I plus 1, and we can assign to null value. So every string terminate with null value, and now yes, we can print. So I copy and paste. So let us check. Is it so simple? We have to develop to our logic. So here not before but after. So after trimming trailing white space, yes, our string is, so yes, we cannot write string is very long message. So after trimming trailing white space, yes, that string is yes. So let us check. Yes, I first save this file. So here that is a right trim. So right trim, but yes, that is a very long. So we can say that R stream, that is some language support the R stream, L stream, and all stream, that type of function inbuilt. So here we can str and R stream, yes, maximum, but R is so 9 characters, so that is a I remove one. So M, yes, so 4 plus 4 8. Yes, so now C. So yes, M is can, or you can also here 2 time R is there. So yes, that is also possibility. So I compile. Yes, there is no any error. So let us check. We can give any. So enter one string with right white. Uh, yes, so we can say that like given our example, hello world and some blank space I include. So you can look here, and then I can enter. So yes, we can provide a slash n. So after trimming, yes. So yes, here that is a we can observe. So I minus minus, yes, and here that is a I plus one, that perfectly. And what to do? So yes, here that's L is not required. Yes. So let us check. We can take as a. So I think that perfectly here that's provide as a slash n. Yes, and other are complete. So our cursor is blinking. So that is a yes, I white page. So let us check. We can take as a watch window. So we can better understand and any required to change our logic so we can improve. So yes, let us check. So step by step, we can take as a watch window. So there are two variable str of I and then our I variable. So yes, there is no any other variable. So let us start to our yes, mm, yes first that is a yes first we can take as clear screen. Yes, that is a required. So other all fault output is removed here. So now that is a we have to take and watch window. So that is a better. And now I give any so hello world and some time. Yes, and enter. So let us check. So that is a perfectly, and that is a 17. Yes, so you can like hello world and then blank. So that's 17 character. So I let us check I is greater than minus one. Yes, that perfectly. So here you can look that is a null. Yes, that taking as a null last. So we can what to do? So here we can minus. Yes, here that taking as a first is null. So directly break. So that is a taking as original string. So what is a problem? So I get this watch window. So what is a one here we can remove? Yes, here we can minus minus I one only. So because that taking null and directly come out to our while loop. So now let us check. First directly I can run and hello world and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now you can look that is a perfectly. So our cursor is blinking after that all white space is stream. And here I cannot clarify because means hello word that we can take already some white space. So now let us check again watch window. So yes, here that is a first time that directly come out to while loop because that is a end of the that is a I plus plus one extra because that is a null. So that not equal to but I is that we can start is a minus minus. So that is a after white space. So that is a I is greater than minus one. So yes, I think you have to understand. And now let us check the same process we can observe in um, watch window. So then and then you can understand. So let us check. I give any like F5 BCS SAM1, yes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus space and enter. And now we can observe. So here you can look first. I press F7. So yes, here we can provide semicolon. You can use also strlen string. So that is a this for loop calculate the length of our string. So here we can provide that is a null statement. Yes, that you can also take body of for loop, and this statement is not for loop. Yes, here we can provide a semicolon. So be careful. Yes, here very important part. So yes, you can look 18 that I. and now I minus, so 17. Yes, and now I is greater than, yes, minus, because that 70 is greater than minus 1. So you can look, here is a white space, so we can provide 8 white space. So here that is a 8 time I minus minus. Yes, again that check the while loop. Yes, that you can look here. So I minus minus, yes, 2 time, then 3 time, yes, 4, then 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yes, complete. Now our original string is start. So that is a, you can look, string str string, that is a BCSM1. So 1 is a last, you can look our main string. So observation, yes, that I is greater than, that loop is complete, means perfect. I is greater than minus 1. But if condition is false, because not is a blank space and not is a t slash t, so that is a any user provides slash t, that is also possible. So I use as a logical AND operator. So if condition is false and break, so while loop is break, and then we can terminate. Yes, that is a last, that our character we can provide I plus 1, because last is a I is 9, and that is a 1. After we can provide as a null value. So every string terminate with null value. That is a perfectly. And now that is a, after trimming trailing white space. Yes, now you can understand, yes, that our cursor blinking previously, not trailing means remove, that that we can also say that remove or delete word. So yes, so I hope, yes, best way we have to remove our trailing trailing white space, or we can say that right side blank space or white space. So that is a perfectly. So now that is a, what is a right trimming, that delete white space character right side from a given string, and that is a trim operation. So R trim, L trim, and all trim, some language support this type of inbuilt function. So previously, yes, here just simple, yes, here that we cannot. And this statement, you can very careful, this statement is a not for loop. That is a, we can minus I minus minus, and that is a only we can take length of our string. And if you not understand this, you can like I and strlen string handling function, and string and directly minus 1, that is also perfectly. So I write comment, you can use anyone, this statement or this statement. So I write a simple way. If you not understand this statement, so you can write this statement and test your logic in uh, means trace your logic, watch window and output window take, and that is a perfectly. So here I open this comment line, and any one not write both, so, or any write of this statement, either of this statement. So both are equal. Yes, here we can take minus minus here. Yes, so I think you have to understand. So previously I cannot take minus 1, so that is a directly while loop is false, and our original as it is not trimming any remove our right side face. So I think you have to understand. So very sometime we can take detect our error using the watch window. So here that is the same case. So we can detect what is a problem of this simple logic. So only minus minus 1 statement is remaining. So now I can remove, because yes, so you can use anyone. Yes, now I can use also blank statement. So this statement is not for loop, this statement is our main function statement. So if that for loop, why that is a tab, that is my habit, means that is tradition of programming. Yes, here like while loop all statement we can provide tab, and here if else only one statement, so no require any opening closing brace. That is a rules optional. You can provide the opening closing brace like here, so there is a no error. But why we can give the, if that is a optional in one statement, so there are 4 statements. So brace is also consider compilation some process. So why we can provide, yes, that is a my always. So one statement that is you can means optional, and two statement you can must be applied. That is also rules. So you can understand. So any regarding this definition, any doubt, so you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And just write this program to write trim. Yes, so very important concept in your knowledge in C language. So now I can close this file. Yes, Alt F3 function key and watch and output and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.